Hello everybody, this is Dr. Adriana Lopez. Welcome to our second session of the Orthodontics module. And remember, every time that you see this little white tooth with the question mark, that means that's a slide that you want to pay attention to because one or two questions might come on the exam regarding this topic. And well, today we're going to talk about crossbites and open bites. This is a topic that the exam loves to test on, so please pay very good attention to this presentation. And well, first we're going to establish what is a crossbite. So there are two types of crossbites. It can be a posterior crossbite or an anterior crossbite. A posterior crossbite